Okay, so now the final task is about making a form. We're going to create a form that will allow customers to enter their feedback. So let's go to forms and then use wizard to create form. We're going to go to customer feedback table, add that all in. Next. You can choose whichever one you want. I personally prefer this way, that style. Next. Click next. I'm going to just click that. You can choose whichever one you want. I'm going to go with light grey and flat. Next. Customer feedback form. And then I want to modify the form. Finish. Now I'm going to click on these while holding down Shift on the keyboard. That might be a little bit too large. Make them large like that. Then I enter the form name, customer feedback form. Maybe make it 42 and then chuck it in the center. That's my form so far. Might make it smaller. Nah. Okay. Maybe make it just as long. Never mind, it messes up. Oh well, okay. So that's fine as it is, and then we're gonna add a button. So just here, push button, and draw it in place. Now I want buttons to go next, to go back, to add a new record, to save a record. I'll just show one. So push button, right click, control properties. Next, and then label, put next record. Okay, and then scroll down. You can change stuff about the form if you want to. It's up to you. Whatever you want, you can do that. But action is important. So action, go none, and then next record. Okay. There's previous records. There's save record. You can make them do whatever you want from here. And then X, Control S to save it. And that's basically how you do everything you need on a form.